G'day tradies. Want to get more leads and secure more jobs? Listen up. In today's digital world, having a professional website can be a game changer. Imagine more leads, more bookings, and less hassle. Mo Technology specializes in creating stunning, easy-to-use websites tailored just for you. Show off your skills, get noticed, and watch your business grow. Need branding? Our expert designers craft logos, business cards, and even vehicle wraps that make your business stand out. Plus, we use SEO and lead generation strategies to ensure your business appears right where customers are searching. And with booking and inquiry integrations, your customers can reach you anytime, hassle-free. At Mo Technologies, we understand that a great website is just the start. We work closely with you to explore opportunities that boost your online visibility and help you grow in a competitive market. Don't lose jobs to your competitors. Get a professional online presence today. Visit motechnologies.com/services and let's build your success together.